Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the video call problem in your device OnePlus 10R. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the video call, you are unable to make it or it's not connecting, you can solve this by the method as I will show you in this video. Before starting, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the video call problem in your device.